Hey everyone, today I will show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. And here's how it is done. If you're wondering whether a specific person has blocked you on Instagram, follow the steps. Open Instagram, launch the app and log into your account. Switch to another account for testing, optional. For demonstration purposes, you can switch to another account and block your main account to understand how it works. On the alternate account, search for your main account username. Tap the three dots at the top right of the profile and select Block. Search for the user. On your primary account, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type the username of the person you suspect has blocked you. Check the search results. If the user's profile doesn't appear and you see user not found, it is a strong sign you have been blocked. If their profile appears but shows no profile picture, post, or follower details, it is another indication of being blocked. He notes Instagram doesn't provide a direct way to see who has blocked you to maintain privacy and reduce context. This method is specific to checking individual accounts and won't give a complete list of all blockers. That is everything you need to know about how to see who blocked you on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.